You think you know world maps? You wouldn't know a globe if it hit you in the face in a gift shop. WorldMap is a free, open-source plugin for Unity. It provides UX for progression or level select in your game. It's built on top of Cinemachine, and it is highly modular, so you should be able to switch out all the visuals, effects, and input sources, or extend them to your use case. I'm not going to be going over installation in this video, so look out for another video covering that. What I am going to show you is WorldMap in glorious action.
Hi guys. Hey guys, this is a little plugin I made. I'm going to be showing you a space demo scene of it. So this specific example uses a space theme. This is a general purpose framework, so you could use whatever assets and theme you want for it. And it is included in the package itself in the examples. So we have a bunch of planets here, and each one of them correlates to a level. Level 1, 2, 3. Every one of them is a node in the map. You can see they're sort of connected in a linear fashion. And the last two nodes are sort of grayed out. They're not interactable with the user. This is because they're unavailable. Any node in the map has a notion of completion, and a node will only be available if all the nodes before it were completed. So this is kind of how you can create a progression in your game. You can complete a level, the next level will unlock, and so forth. So notice when I select a node, a few effects appear on top of it. In this case, some emission, the albedo changes a bit, particle systems appear, and a tooltip. This is because it became highlighted. There are a few states that nodes can be in, and you can customize effects for any one of them. Clicking on a node that's already selected or hitting the submit button will zoom into that node. The zoom in virtual camera and the main virtual camera are completely replaceable, so you can customize them however you may want. Whenever you zoom in, you'll also trigger any custom effects set for the node's zoomed in state. So in this case, I have a game object with a canvas that's shown, but you could use it to display UI for your level, a go button to enter the level, or maybe some animations on the node itself. Besides selecting nodes, WorldMap also allows the player to move the camera around freely, using WASD keys as default, or taking the mouse to the edge of the screen, which will nudge the camera in that direction. Bounds can be configured so the player doesn't wander off too far away from the map. So sensible default key mappings have been set, at least for keyboard, but you can also easily customize all the inputs to any Unity axes or key codes that you'd like in the inspector. Input is also contained in its own module, so if you have to support a custom plugin like InController Rewired, or just your own custom input system, you should be able to write custom code to handle that fairly easily. So it's pretty minimalistic, but that's by design, so hopefully it can be used in a bunch of different scenarios. And I hope you guys can get some use out of this for your games or just game jams or whatever you can think to use it for. So thanks for watching and have a good one.